Judicial Academy for Training of Judicial Officers. I am extremely happy to know that the legal education and research has been given prominence in the pronouncement made at both the previous Brasilia and Shanghai Declaration of the Forum. I would like to appreciate the extensive efforts which have been carried out by the BRICS Legal Forum for promotion of legal education, research and training through its several initiatives such as constituting BRICS Legal Research Institute in China, BRICS Law Institute in Russia, and the research unit within the Center for Comparative Law in South Africa, and extending support to the Alliance of BRICS Law Universities. We, as a nation, extend our wholehearted support to such wonderful initiative undertaken by the BRICS Legal Forum. I would like to suggest a philanthropic concept of professional social responsibilities on lines of corporate social responsibility. The legal professionals need to make an earnest attempt to contribute, both tangibly and intangibly, for filling the gap in legal infrastructure, resources, and in capacity building to ensure that the benefit of timely justice reach to the poorest of the poor in the society. I would also like to suggest creation of the BRIC Council of Legal Education and Research, as well as Bar Council of BRICS, which shall add tremendous value to the existing structure within legal forum. In the end, I would like to thank the organizers of the third BRICS Legal Forum for inviting me to deliver this special address in the valedictory session. I extend my best wishes for the future endeavors to be carried out by the forum, and I hope that the organization acquires a pivotal position in the global legal landscape. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chaudhary. You have given us not only enormous encouragement, but also have suggested very valuable initiatives, which I hope and trust that the BRICS Legal Forum will be very happy and glad to adopt and pursue. And while I will call upon Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Thakur, Chief Justice of India, to give his valedictory address in the spirit of what Honorable Minister said, I must inform that one of the initiatives is already taking shape. That is, our members, scholars of the BRICS Legal Talent Program, those who attended at Shanghai, some of them are here, and who have made very, very strenuous effort to organize this forum. Please stand up. Arush, Parush, Chandrika and their colleagues, and a number of volunteers which they gathered to facilitate all the delegations. And Gauri, Govardhan, all of them, yes, they have spent sleepless nights to put this together, receive every single delegation, facilitate their transfer to the hotels and hostels. So they have not only taken care of the legal talent program coordination under guidance of Madam Pinky Anand, but the entire delegations. Enormous work. Thank you. And now their proposal has been in principle accepted that the BRICS Legal Talent Program scholars will be constituting the youth wing of the BRICS Legal Forum. The steering committee will be helping them to formalize the structures of how this substructure of BRICS Legal Forum will operate. So now it's my pleasure and pleasant duty to invite Honorable Chief Justice Mr. T.S. Thakur to give the valedictory address.
Shri P.P. Chaudhary, Minister for Law and Justice, my esteemed brother Justice Kurian Joseph, Attorney General Shri Mukul Rohtagi, Senior Advocate Shri K.K. Venugopal, Lalit Bhasin, President of the Bar Association of India, Shri Prashant Kumar, Ms. Pinky Anand, Additional Solicitor General, heads of the participating delegations from BRICS countries, senior advocates, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. I consider it a matter of great privilege to have been invited to deliver this valedictory address, which marks the conclusion of two-day-long deliberations on issues of contemporary importance. This is a historic year for India, as in February this year, India took over the chairmanship of BRICS presidency from Russia till December 2016.